See, 1 plus 1 always makes 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3, just like we learned yesterday. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Is that right?
Yes!
All right, everyone, let's look at this together. When we add 1 and 4, we get the number 5. Great job, everyone. Okay, class, look right here. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Isn't that fun?
Wow, 6!
See, kids, if we take the number 1 and add 6 more, we get 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. As you can see on the board, when we add 1 and 7 together, we get the number 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Isn't that fascinating? So, if we have 1 and we add 9 more, what do we get?
10.
Please subscribe. It means a lot to us. Thank you.